Very good afternoon to all my students. Today I, Tarun sir, your English teacher, is going to describe the pattern of the subject English. Many of the grade 10 students would be now taking up their unit test, other examination, term examinations, and in the coming months you will also be appearing for half-yearly examination. So it's very necessary to understand that what is the pattern of the paper after the syllabus has been reduced by CBSE board. So without wasting time, first of all you need to understand the paper would be of 80 marks and 20 marks would be awarded by your school. So the paper would be of 100 marks in total, but the written paper that you would be appearing for would be of 80 marks. Let's start. Section A. You can also get this term that part A. Hardly matters section A or part A. You would be getting two unseen passages. See, my dear students, you would be getting two unseen passages. Both are compulsory, 10 marks each. So out of 12 questions, you will have to attempt 10 questions. Out of 12 questions, you will have to attempt 10 questions. If you add this, this will sum up to be 20. And one good news for you all, that all the questions would be in the form of multiple choice questions, MCQs. That means, I'll give you an example. Question 1, A, B, C, D. This is how the question would appear. You need not write any theory, just write answer 1, option C, answer 2, option D. That's it. This is how you will have to behave now when you would be appearing for your full length paper. This is your full length paper. So part A, you would be getting 20 marks unseen passages, 2 questions. Let's move ahead. Then comes literature. Then comes literature. Literature you will find 5 marks. 5 marks. 2 questions from chapters, that is prose. 2 questions from chapter, you will have to attempt only 1. Chapter. Poem. You will have to attempt only 1. That is equal to 10 marks. Now again, this would be in the form of MCQ. You will only have to apply a tick mark. I am delivering this lecture for grade 10 CBSE students, so I will put up a question in front of you. For example, let's take up a chapter. How much amount did Lencho demand from God? Option A, B, C, D. You will have to take 100 pesos. Let's come to the poem. Who is the writer of the poem Dust of Snow? You will have to take Robert Frost. That's it. No need to write any theory. So 20 plus 10 is equal to 30 marks. I am still continuing with part A itself. Part A comprises of 40 marks. And part B comprises of 40 marks. 40 plus 40, 80. So 20 marks unseen passage, 10 marks extract based questions, MCQs. Extract based questions, MCQs from chapter, from poem. 30 marks over. Now let's come to English grammar. Ten marks MCQs. English grammar, 10 marks MCQs. This is for the first time. Students, this is a golden opportunity. This is for the first time you people are going to face MCQs related to English grammar. You won't believe, this is a kind of objective paper that you would be facing when you would appear for competitive exams. So come on, these people are making your habit now to be a bit objective rather than subjective. You would be getting 10 questions. You will have to attempt 10 questions out of 12. 10 marks. That is 1 mark each. All grammar based questions. Please look into the deleted course first and then solve grammar. Like for example, you have tenses, modal verbs, determiners, reported speech. So please ignore the deleted course and then work for your English grammar. 10 questions, and I'll give you an example how you would be getting a question. Just a simple question. A, B, C, D. Can, would, could, none of the above. So the correct option is can. So need not write the question in the exam. Already you will have only 3 hours and the paper is lengthy because the number of MCQs are more. So you will have to write only answer 1, option A. That's it. So part A, 40 marks. I have already told you. Let's move towards part B. In part B, grade 10 students, formal letters, I know you people are aware of it. Five marks. You will be getting 2 formal letters. You will have to attempt only 1. See this. Formal letter, formal letter. Formal letters you already know. It can be written to the editor, principal, commissioners, municipal corporation and all. So that's easy. You would be in a position to write it because you already know the format and all. But attempt only 1. Please take care of the instructions. Instructions means in case if they are asking you that write a letter in only 100 words, 120 words, you will have to follow the instructions. Let's go ahead. So 5 marks. Now this is a new topic that is going to come in front of you. You are going to get a topic of analytical paragraph writing. Listen to this. You would be getting a question from this analytical paragraph. It's easy. Summary. You will have to just write a summary on the basis of a pie chart, diagram, etc. You would be given a pie chart, for example, like this. (2018, 2019, 2020) number of deaths due to car accident. For example, in case if they give you this data, number of deaths that have taken place due to car accident, you would be given a good hint. You will have to just write a summary of it. Seeing these datas, you will have to write a summary in more than 100 words. Then you would be in a position to score 5 marks. So 10 marks writing section, 5 marks formal letter, 5 marks analytical paragraph. Now comes literature. Again 30 marks. In 30 marks literature, you would be getting lot of options also. Now see how this is divided. First you would be getting 6 questions. See students, you would be getting 6 questions. You will have to attempt only 4 into 2, 8 marks. Mind it, follow the word limit. I think so the word limit would be only 30 to 40 words. Yes, you will have to follow this word limit. Okay, then you would be getting 6 questions. You will have to attempt 4 questions into 3 marks. For this, the word limit would be above 50. Now see, 30 marks literature in part B, 6 questions out of 6 questions. See, don't get confused. Out of 6 questions, you will have to attempt 4 into 2, 8 marks. Then 6 questions out of 6, you will have to attempt 4 into 3, 12 marks. Fine. Now let's come to long answers. You would be getting choice also. See this. Out of 2 questions, you will have to attempt only 1. And you already know that there are 2 books in English, First Flight and Footprints Without Feet. So mind it, here you would be getting equal questions from Footprint and First Flight. Footprint, First Flight. So you will have to take care. That means you have to study the entire course. Let's see, out of 2 questions again, if you total this will come to 30 marks. So this is the total marks of English, 40 part A, 40 part B. Do take care of the instructions. Do study all the chapters and poems from the First Flight and Footprints Without Feet. Few important questions I would like to tell you for half-yearlies or term examination. You can get character sketch based on Anne Frank, Griffin and all, because these are lengthy chapters. But again, the same thing, students, follow the instructions, do well. You will get enough time, 15 minutes for reading, 3 hours for the entire paper. Be honest when you are appearing for your paper online. Thank you so much, class. God bless you.